Hi, today I will be showing you how to activate your gaming keyboard's backlights in Ubuntu using one simple command. Let's go. So once you open your terminal in Ubuntu, what you want to do is type in exit space LED space 3. Now before I press enter, what I'll do is I'll show you the keyboard. I'll press enter and you'll see the lights go on. There you go. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can be notified when I drop more videos like this. Thank you and have a lovely day. Namaste.